Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform three basic Python programs and see the syntax that how to execute them. Our first program is to print hello world. For this we will use print method and write hello world inside double quotes. Now we'll run the program and we can see that here it is the output hello world. One thing is that any statement following hash is considered as comment in Python. Also, any statement written inside the triple quotes is also considered as a comment. Now, let us come to the second program, which is sum of two numbers by taking users input. For this, we need to take two users input. Let us consider A as the first one. We will write int, then input, then enter first number. Here int is used as we need integer type for taking sum and input is used for taking in user's input. Now let us consider b as the second number, then int input, enter second number, let us save their sum inside C. We must remember that Python is a case sensitive language, so we should take care of uppercase and lowercase letters. Now print C. We will not use double quotes to print C as double quotations is used to print string. Now we will run the program. We will enter first number as 3, second number as 4, and then we can see that 3 plus 4 equals to 7, and here it is the output. Now let us make it a comment so that it is not executed in our next program. Now our next program is the square root of a number given by user. Let us again take user's input as we have taken in the previous one. Enter any number. Now we know that square root means any number raised to the power 1 by 2, or we can say 1 by 2 is 0.5, so any number raised to the power 0.5. Now in Python for exponential we use double asterisk operator as b equals to a raised to the power means double asterisk and we will write 0.5. Now print b. Now we will enter number. Let us enter 25 and we will get the output as 5. Here we get the output as a floating number because square root of any number can be a float, and it is most probably a floating number that because all numbers are not a perfect square. Now we have another method to find square root. Let's leave the input line. We have taken user's input as A. Now we have to import math module. We can import it by using import method as the follows, and math module name is math. Now B equals to math dot SQRT. Here SQRT is the short form for square root. It is the inbuilt method and in bracket A. Now print B and run the program. Let us again enter 25 and again we get the answer as 5. So in this video we have learned at how to print hello world, sum of two numbers by taking users input, square root of a number given by users. These three programs we have worked on these three programs in this video. Thank you.